do you do with iRevive, you and your wife, when you go to Mexico?
Okay, I'll tell you what I do because I've said this before. This is the absolute best probiotic on the planet. I take a capsule of whatever it has in it, dump the capsule out, and put a little into the knifeful of the cream inside the capsule, and I swallow 2 of them like that, and it takes care of anything with my stomach, anything with the digestive tract, the colon, anything. That is the absolute best probiotic, and I'll tell you why. What is it doing inside the intestinal tract? 90% of the immune system is in the intestinal tract. If I feed this to the intestinal tract, tell me, am I eradicating the zombie cells that are accumulating in the intestinal tract? You know they're in there. They call it good and bad bacteria, but the zombie cells are in there. If I get rid of zombie cells in my intestinal tract, how much better would my life be? And that's why we take them everywhere we go, so that because my stomach doesn't do well whenever I go like out of the country. So guess what? I put it down. I do it for the first 2 days. I don't have any problem with the transition. It's a tremendous benefit to have that as a probiotic if you want to do that. All I know is if your stomach's upset and you do that, it can help a tremendous amount with what you're trying to achieve.
There's other things that you can do. By the way, everybody in the chat is going, and we need a bigger jar of it then.